Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we will be viewing 311 South 3rd Street here in Selah. I'm across the street, so I want to show you a little bit of the neighborhood. We are literally across, not across, but walking distance from the Wixon Park, which is down there as you can see. If you're not familiar with Selah, the Wixon Park does have a pool. I'll show you a little bit more of the neighborhood though. Once again, it's 311 South 3rd Street in Selah. Just gonna go ahead and go inside. That's the living room, but let's go ahead and start with the kitchen since we are actually in it. This kitchen's really good size. At the moment, we do not have a fridge in here, but we will have one by the time somebody moves in. Can I correct myself? Refrigerator. There's a kitchen. It's a nice big window. Our fireplace. This house does have central air. And heat. There's a hallway. And this little tiny door, as we go in, there's the furnace. To our right is a small bedroom. And the washer dryer hookups are inside this bedroom. We also have the automatic sprinkler system in here with the breaker box. Straight down is the one bathroom. This bathroom has a shower, no bathtub. Okay. I'll show a little bit of the shower. We'll continue down the hall. To our right, it's another bedroom. I'll go ahead and close the door a little so you can see. There we go. Across the hall is another bedroom, sorry. This bedroom does have a bathroom inside. So this is the master bedroom. go inside the bathroom. This bathroom does have a bathtub. And on the facing the bathtub, it's a closet. Now that I've shown you the inside of the house, it's time to look at the back side, the backyard. Sorry. Here we go. We do have a small porch. Now this garage right in front of us that you are seeing does come with the home. I'm more than sure you can fit 2 cars in there. Go around. That door leads us to another bedroom that I will show you here in a minute. First, I want you to see the porch. It is covered. Cement. Go ahead and go into the bedroom. Actually, just a back room. We do have central air coming through here. Same with the heat. Okay. Have basketball hoops. You have some side yard. I'm going to go ahead and go around. As I go around, I do want to mention that if you have any questions about this property, you can go to our website, which you perhaps already are in it, which is www.jevonsproperties.com, or you can just call the phone number that's listed in the video, 519-314-4477. There's always somebody there to help. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Para más información sobre esta casa puede llamar al 509-314-4477. Están disponibles las 24 horas al día, 7 días a la semana. I hope this video was with enough information to proceed into applying. Once again, you can always call 519-314-4477. You have a great day.